If your WordPress site shows error establishing a database connection, especially after migrating, restoring a backup, or renaming the database, it means WordPress can't find the database anymore. This happens because WordPress stores the database name inside a configuration file, and if that name doesn't match the real database, the site will fail to load. First, open your site folder. In LocalWP, click your site and choose Open Site folder, then go into the app folder and open Public. Inside this folder, open the file called wp-config.php. This file contains all database connection settings. Now find this line. Define db_name. This is the database name WordPress is trying to use. Go back to LocalWP, click your site, and open the Database tab. Copy the real database name shown there. Replace the old name in db_name with the real database name, then save the file. Now refresh your browser. Your site should be back online. No reinstall, just the correct configuration.